Hello everyone. Question is a company is building a serverless application on AWS. The application uses an AWS Lambda function to process customer orders 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Lambda function calls an external vendor's HTTP API to process payments. During load test, a developer discovers that the external vendor payment processing API occasionally times out and returns errors. The company expects that some payments processing API calls will return errors. The company wants the support team to receive notifications in near real time only when the payment processing external API error rate exceeded 5% of the total number of the transactions in an hour. Developers need to use an existing Amazon Simple Notification Service Amazon SNS topic that is configured to notify the support team. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Write the results of payment processing API calls to Amazon CloudWatch. Use Amazon CloudWatch logs insights to query the CloudWatch logs. Schedule the Lambda functions to check the CloudWatch logs and notify the existing SNS topic. Option B. Publish custom metrics to CloudWatch that record the failures of the external payment processing API calls. Configure a CloudWatch alarm to notify the existing SNS topic when error rate exceeds the specified rate. Option C. Publish the results of the external payment processing API calls to a new Amazon SNS topic. Subscribe the support team members to the new SNS topic. Option D. Write the results of the external payment processing API calls to Amazon S3. Schedule an Amazon Athena query to run at regular intervals. Configure Athena to send notifications to the existing SNS topic when the error rate exceeds the specified rate. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is a developer maintains an Amazon API Gateway REST API. Customers use the API through a front-end UI and Amazon Cognito authentication. The developer has a new version of the API that contains new endpoints and backward incompatible interface changes. The developer needs to provide beta access to other developers on the team without affecting customers. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? Option A. Define a development stage on the API Gateway API. Instruct the other developers to point the endpoints to the development stage. Option B. Define a new API Gateway API that points to the new API application code. Instruct the other developers to point the endpoints to the new API. Option C. Implement a query parameter in the API application code that determines which code version to call. Option D. Specify new API gateway endpoints for the API endpoints that the developers wants to add. Correct answer is option A. Question is a company wants to deploy and maintain static websites on AWS. Each website's source code is hosted in one of several versions control systems, including AWS Code Commit, Bitbucket, and GitHub. The company wants to implement phased releases by using development, staging, user acceptance testing, and production environments in the AWS cloud. Deployments to each environment must be started by code merges on the relevant Git branch. The company wants to use HTTPS for all data exchange. The company needs a solution that does not require servers to run continuously. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? Option A, host each website by using AWS Amplify with a serverless backend conned with the repository branches that correspond to each of the desired environments. Start deployments by merging code changes to a desired branch. Option B, host each website in AWS Elastic Beanstalk with multiple environments. Use the EBCLI to link each repository branch. Integrate AWS code pipeline to automate deployments from version control code merges. Option C, host each website in different Amazon S3 buckets for each environment. Configure AWS code pipeline to pull source code from version control. Add an AWS code build stage to copy source code to Amazon S3. Option D, host each website on its own Amazon EC2 instance. Write a custom deployment script to bundle each website's static assets. Copy the assets to Amazon EC2. Set up a workflow to run the script when code is merged. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.